And last but not least, we're going to assemble the yard sign. Just like that. Okay. Looks like this peels off here. I think maybe. It feels like this is double-sided sticky tape, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's okay, it is. It's hard to get that started there. Okay. So the sign goes in there. Like that. Sticks onto there like that. All right, my friends. So if you got some tough ground, probably use a hammer. Maybe put a piece of 2x4 on there and pound it in the ground with that, or use like a mallet or something that's not going to hurt it. And then you can attach this on top of that. And there you go. Thanks for watching how to install Simpli Safe home security system.